What is a hypothesis-driven approach for case study interviews? Have you ever wondered how to tackle complex problems during case study interviews? A hypothesis-driven approach might be your best strategy. This method starts with an educated guess about what might be causing an issue or how to solve it. Then, you systematically test this guess by gathering and analyzing relevant data. Let's break this down further. You begin by stating a clear hypothesis based on the information you have. For instance, if you are given a case about a company experiencing declining sales, you might hypothesize that supply chain issues are to blame. This initial guess helps you focus your analysis on what really matters. Next, you identify what data you need to confirm or refute your hypothesis. In our sales example, you would look for information about inventory levels or delivery times. Gathering this data is crucial, as it will either support your hypothesis or lead you to reconsider your initial guess. Once you have the data, you analyze it. If the evidence supports your hypothesis, great. If not, you will need to adjust your thinking. This iterative process continues until you find the most plausible explanation or solution. This approach is particularly useful in case interviews because it demonstrates your ability to think critically and prioritize important issues. Interviewers appreciate candidates who can make logical decisions under time constraints. Instead of guessing randomly, you keep your analysis structured and relevant. For example, if your hypothesis about supply chain issues does not hold up, you might consider other factors like changes in customer demand or increased competition. Each time you test a new hypothesis, you are honing in on the real problem. In the context of internships, especially in consulting or business analysis, mastering this approach is essential. It mirrors how professionals solve real-world problems. Interns who can apply this method show strong analytical skills and efficiency, which can greatly improve their performance in case interviews and on the job. Here are some key steps to follow when using a hypothesis-driven approach in case study interviews. First, formulate an initial hypothesis based on the problem statement. Next, identify what data you need to test this hypothesis. After that, collect and analyze the data. If your initial guess is disproven, revise it or create a new one. Repeat this process until you identify the root cause or best solution. Throughout this journey, communicate your reasoning clearly to the interviewer. Using a hypothesis-driven approach keeps your interview focused and shows structured thinking. It aligns with how consulting firms tackle problems, making it a preferred method in case study interviews for internships and job roles in consulting and related fields.